Hey guys, welcome to Drink Point. It's Tyler again, and I just wanted to bring you a quick video on Senseonics stock and what news they had for today. So they just got a patent that they filed for in 2015 approved. It went through earlier today, and you guys should be in the Discord because I did alert everybody in the Discord after one of the homies, and they were hooked it up and told us we were on a dip, got everybody in on a buy, and it started trending up after hours after everybody was kind of just looking at the news that they got their patent approved. This is going to be really nice as kind of like a mid-ground kind of news source going in for the stock as a catalyst, considering they've got potentially FDA approval coming up in the next couple months, that only being delayed because of COVID back in December. And so this is going to be a nice potential like lift back for Senseonics as a rebound. I'll be showing you the chart in a bit, but they were at a good setup for a while over the last few weeks until the market dipped from the bond yield stuff that was going on that dropped the entire market, and they're going to be looking to basically have a nice ride up over time. Like I said, I do still have a price target of them very long term over $30, but just because of what they do with diabetes, blood glucose monitoring, and how they're trying to get the FDA approval for the 180 days on their products that they're looking at. This patent is huge for what's going forward. I do see them potentially gapping up tomorrow from where they're at now, because they are at a very low point considering where they've been the last month, and this was just insane news going into the end of market today. Now over here on the 1 month chart for Senseonics, as you can see, they are on kind of a low trend from where they were before based on where they've been over the last month or so. This is beginning of February. They were down at the 2.5 range, and they've just been steadily climbing ever since. They peaked almost $6 before, stayed above $4 for a good chunk of time, and now they're down to $3.35. Going into market close, they had this massive dip, which is a crazy buy-in, especially if you're trying to hold out for that $20 to $30 range long term that I told you about specifically, that I'm price targeting them at. And then they started to run after hours, I presume, one, because they're a good penny stock that usually runs before and after hours, and two, because of that patent news coming in for where they're at. As you can see here, before they were pretty oversold for a significant amount of time when they were dropping price under that 40 range on the RSI. So I think going into tomorrow, they could be retesting those 3.5, 3.6s pre-market and going into market. And then by the end of the week, I could see them potentially testing 4s again if they can reach up to this 3.9 and test where they were before. So that's what I'm going to be looking for Senseonics short term. I do see them hitting that $6 range here over the next 2-3 weeks, especially with this patent raise and the hype leading up to their potential FDA approval going in over the next few months as they get more push for that as well. So this is going to be a very good stock to keep an eye on, especially with this low dip that they're at currently. That's going to do it for me in this video, guys. I just wanted to thank you so much for the 400 subscribers after only having the channel up for like 25 days, something crazy like that. It's not even a month up yet. We're almost at half of 1,000 subs, which is crazy to think. I never thought I'd have an audience like this. So I'm just happy to bring out content for you guys and keep bringing out good stocks for you guys to watch, as well as the updates on those as time goes on. And I just appreciate the continued support. So make sure you guys are joining the stock trade Discord here on my page as time goes on to make sure you get those calls earlier and earlier. And also follow my Twitter and Instagram at DreamCoined with an ED at the end, just so you can stay up to date on news as it goes through the day before I can get videos out. I did call the Senseonics patent news out earlier right before market close as it came out. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.